Muraho. Welcome again to this amazing lesson where I'm going to show you almost the most important thing that you would need to know in Kinyarwanda. So as you can see, we've got a jacket in front of us, and I'm going to show you how to count jackets, for example, how to demonstrate jackets using some demonstrative adjectives and some other components of the Kinyarwanda language that you know. Please make sure to stick around because this is really important. Alright, so a jacket is called ikoti in Kinyarwanda. Ikoti, ikoti. Try to repeat after me. Ikoti. And if you want to say one jacket, that becomes ikoti rimwe. Ikoti rimwe. That means one jacket. Okay, you can also say amakoti ane, for example, if you want to say 4 jackets. Amakoti ane. Okay, just a small task for you. How can you say 5 jackets in Kinyarwanda? 5 means gatanu. Gatanu. Now, can you try and see if you'll be able to say I'm sorry, 5 jackets. Okay, that's important. And now you might want to use some adjectives and describe a jacket further. And let's say, for example, you want to say that a jacket is good, or it's nice, or it's beautiful. So that where you can say ikoti ryiza. Ikoti ryiza. That means a nice jacket. Okay. You can also want to further describe your jacket and maybe say how big or small it is. Big, that would be nini. If we modify it, as you can see, we've got ri. So we can describe a big jacket as irikoti nirinini. So in this sentence, we are saying this jacket is big. This jacket is big. But somewhere in the sentence we also have a description. We've got a demonstrative showing this. Okay, this is not always iri. It changes depending on the noun. So but to keep this video simple, if you want to say this jacket is big, you can say irikoti nirinini. Okay, let's say, for example, you want to show possession, whether a jacket belonged to maybe you. So you can say that, you can say ikoti ryanje. That means my jacket. Okay, it shows possession. Your task, I want you to try and say your jacket in Kinyarwanda. Remember to check our lesson on possessive on possessive pronouns. Okay, if you check that lesson, you will be able to say his, hers, ours. Okay, you can see the modifier here is rya. Now try to say his or her jacket. Okay, that will be great. Now another sentence that we might be interested to see how to say is, for example, where is the jacket? Where is the jacket? In order to say that in Kinyarwanda, you simply say ikoti ririhe. Ikoti ririhe. Okay, another challenge for you, try and ask where are jackets. Okay, where are jackets in Kinyarwanda, and put the answer in the description. And we can also say, for example, a black jacket. It's another color related description. In order to say that, we can say ikoti ry'umukara. Ikoti ry'umukara, a black jacket. Okay, how about maybe saying this jacket is new? This jacket is new. To say that, you simply say irikoti nirisha. Irikoti nirisha. Try to repeat that. You might maybe want to slow down so that you can hear and then see how well you'll be able to do. Now, to summarize everything, I'm going to read every single sentence which is on the screen, and then you can try to listen to how I do it. Ikoti. Ikoti. That means a jacket. Ikoti rimwe. Ikoti rimwe, that means one jacket. Amakoti ane. Amakoti ane, that means 4 jackets. Ikoti ryiza. Ikoti ryiza, that means a good jacket or a nice jacket or a beautiful jacket. Iri koti ni rinini. Iri koti ni rinini, that means this jacket is big. Ikoti ryanjye. Ikoti ryanjye, that means my jacket. Ikoti ririhe. Ikoti ririhe, that means where is the jacket? Ikoti ry'umukara. Ikoti ry'umukara, that means a black jacket. We also have iri koti ni rishya. Iri koti ni rishya, and that means this jacket is new. This jacket is new. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share them with your friends.